Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. I'll be teaching how to cash out CC in 2 minutes. Okay, so there are two methods. I'll be using the first method, which is involving using the FULLZ information. So following the first method, first you want to do is go to openskycc.com. okay, so you go to openskycc.com. first thing, ensure you have your SOC 5 connected. So you click on get started. Okay, so now you can choose any of the credit cards you see from the options, and then fill in the name and email address. A code will be sent to the address you verify the account. Okay, now input the code, input and click next. Okay, now you can choose any, but since we're trying to make $1,000, you're going to choose the last option and click confirm. Okay, all right, enter $1,000 and click continue. Okay, all right, put in the address and SSN attached to the FULLZ information. No credit check is done, so even if the credit score is low, it will go through. Okay, so choose it and click next. Okay, now choose the first option and then click continue. Now input the card details you purchased. Okay, now money will be withdrawn and put into the new card you just ordered. No chargeback. Address doesn't need to match. Okay, so that's basically how it's going to work. So the balance will be transferred from the CC to the new card. Okay, so agree to the terms and conditions and click submit. Okay, now because of the new USA Patriot Act, every institution will basically ask for ID or SSN before they can process your application. Okay, so in order for you to do this, you basically want to go to scanlab.net rather. Okay, and you can get the docs done for around $10, or you can always send me a DM if you need the docs. Okay, so you need the docs to get the application processed. So you can always go to scanlab.net, or you can send me a DM and I can provide you the docs. Okay, so you need to basically get it verified, and you do not need to run away from this verification, as most applications required nowadays. Okay, so now at this point the application is done, so basically just look in your emails and wait for confirmation from OpenSky. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss my next video. Okay, bye.